This quick and easy Christmas wreath is perfect for beginners. I'm using red, green, and white cotton yarn, but any festive colors work just fine. You'll need a 2.20mm crochet hook. Let's start. I'll guide you step by step, even if you're brand new. To make the wreath, you'll need a round plastic ring. The ring is about 3.5 centimeters, and you can customize the colors any way you like. After making your first knot, insert the hook into the ring. Pull through that knot and secure everything with a single crochet. Now, work single crochets evenly around the ring, keeping the count in multiples of 2. I worked a total of 52 single crochets, and now you can cut the starting yarn. Slip stitch into the first stitch and complete the round. Chain 1, start in the same stitch, and work single crochets evenly all the way around. Slip stitch into the first single crochet and close the round. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and switch to your second color. Attach your new yarn into any single crochet stitch from the previous round. Chain 2, work 4 double crochets into the same stitch. Looks great so far. You're doing really well. If this is helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Slip stitch into the first double crochet to make a popcorn. Chain 3. Skip 1 stitch. Make a popcorn with 5 double crochets. Repeat this pattern all the way around. It's okay to take your time. This is perfect for beginners. If this is helpful, don't forget to give it a like. You should have 26 popcorn stitches in total. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the first popcorn and finish the round. Chain 1, cut the yarn, and switch to the third color. Now, attach your yarn into any chain space between the popcorns. Just like that. Chain 2. Into that same space, work 6 double crochets. With the starting chain, you should have 7 double crochets in total. Now, slip stitch into the next chain space. Into the next chain space. Work 7 double crochets. Continue this pattern all the way around. When you reach the end, slip stitch into the last chain space, leave a little yarn, and cut. Use the first stitch to make a hidden join. We're almost done now. If yours looks a little different, that's totally fine. This will look so cute hanging on your tree. With the remaining yarn, you can make a hanging loop here. If you like quick and easy crochet projects like this, don't forget to subscribe for more 10-minute patterns. After finishing the hanging loop, let's move on to the bells, using the first color. Now, make a magic ring. That's an adjustable loop. Chain 1, work 7 single crochets into the ring. Gently pull the ring closed, slip stitch into the first single crochet, and finish the round. Take your time here. This round is nice and simple. Chain 1, work 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Now, work 2 single crochets into each stitch, for a total of 14. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, and finish the round. Chain 1, start in the first stitch, and work 14 single crochets around. Continue this way until you have 7 rounds in total. You should now have 7 rounds in total. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, and finish the round. For round 8, chain 1. Work 2 single crochets into the same stitch. Now, work 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Then, work 2 single crochets into the next stitch. In round 8, repeat 2 single crochets, then 1 single crochet, all the way around. You should have 21 single crochets in total. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, and finish the round. Chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue this way to complete the final round. When you reach the end, chain 1, leave a little yarn, and cut. Use the first stitch to make a hidden join. That's the tricky part done. The rest will feel much easier. Now, you'll just repeat the same steps. One more time. And that completes one bell. Make a second bell the exact same way. Now, let's join the 2 bells and start chaining. You can chain to any length you like. I'm making 40 chains. After 40 chains, cut the yarn. First, pass the chain through the magic ring spaces. Tie a knot at the end to secure the chain. Now, repeat the same steps on the other side. You can decorate this with any embellishments you like. You can sew it in line with the hanger or glue it from the back. This is where it all comes together. Look how nice it's turning out. And that completes all the steps of the wreath. I also made a few versions in different color tones. You can add pearls, beads, stars, or snowflakes for extra decoration. That's everything for this tutorial. For the written pattern, visit crochetstrends.com Before you go, please subscribe so you never miss a quick crochet project you can finish today. Give this video a like and share it with your loved ones. And I'll see you next in the Crochet Snowflake tutorial. Take care and happy crocheting!